Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some long overdue bathroom extreme cleaning with me. It's also going to be adding in some fall decorating because I got a brand new shower curtain and bath mat to be placing out as well. So let's just jump right into this and get you guys some motivation today. Also, if you guys enjoy these cleaning videos, please give me a like and subscribe if you like these types of videos, so that way I know I should make more of these, and that way you can stick around and join my family and see more videos like these coming up. So first thing I'm going to do to get started, I'm going to start over here in the tub. I'm going to get the rags out of here and start soaking the corner rims of the tub, so that way while that's soaking I could do the rest of the bathroom. For the tub, I'm going to be using a Clorox bleach toilet gel. This goes right into the cracks. That way it can soak it up and kill whatever that is in there. So after I laid all of the bleach toilet cleaner into the cracks, I folded up some toilet paper and shoved it up against it, so that way it kind of like holds it in the tub and it'll clean it right up. So in about 20 minutes to half an hour, I'll pull it right off and all that stains should be gone. Moving on from the tub while that is sitting, now I'm just going to go over here and start sorting up all this pile of clothes and towels, separating this, and then I will move on to the rest of the bathroom. This is a real life cleaning video, so of course you'll see my kids pop in from time to time, and today of course my toddler is here with me and he wants to help in every bit and way, and he's so adorable. So today I'm just going to be using some Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. I'm just going to spray down the entire toilet and everything around it, so then I could scrub and clean all of this. And then I will do the inside toilet with some toilet bowl cleaner. If you guys are new here, welcome, or if you're returning, welcome back. I am so happy to be back to doing a Clean With Me videos. It has been a while, but it has been a crazy year and I am back, and let's just get back into the groove of things and get back to these cleaning videos. I know these were very motivational even to me when I took a break, but now I am back and I'm gonna help you guys as well. So here I just wanted to start cleaning the bottom rims of the toilet, and my toddler was here of course, and he was trying to shove his way in here because he wanted to help. So that's what you're about to see right here. He's gonna try to help a little bit, and he was so proud of himself and I was so proud of him too. He's so freaking cute. Anyone else's toddlers like come around them when they're cleaning and trying to just join in with you? Like, I think this is the age that they just like to do everything that mom is doing, and I think it is adorable. Moving back over to the tub, it is now time to take off this toilet paper and let's reveal how clean this got. Now remember, all I used was the bleach toilet bowl cleaner, and that's all I put in there, and then I just put the toilet paper on top of it to let it sit, and it just did its magic and it became super clean. go around and sweep up the floor, and then I will be using my Swiffer as well to just give it a quick mop in here. Next up, I'm just getting started on cleaning off the sink. Now, this built up with a bunch of Anna's like hair stuff and all the toothbrushes, and it definitely needs a good cleaning as well. Okay, so now I'm just going to be going in with the same Mrs. Meyer's that I was using earlier. I'm just going to spray down the entire counter and sink and give this a good scrub. Okay, so I know I can't be the only one, but anyone else's kids leave globs of toothpaste on the sink. Like, it's like inevitable that I'm going to find it every time I come in here to clean the sink. Okay, so I have like really bad like watermarks and stuff and stains like on the actual faucet. Give me all your tips and tricks on how to get this super clean. I know I've seen some people do different types of things, but I want to know what you guys do. Now I'm just going to be filling up our soap dispenser here. And of course, my little helper is here and he wants to do it himself, but I need to help him with this. This is way too hard for him to do by himself. Next up, I'm going to be cleaning off this little shelf that we have here. It got caked up with some toothpaste and it just kind of got cluttered. So now I'm just going to clean this off. So I'm just using the same thing that I have been using and just using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner and just use that on this as well. Over to here on top of this cabinet and shelf, I gotta do a little bit more of rearranging, a little bit of decluttering, so a little bit more decluttering motivation for you right here. Now that the bathroom is all clean and a little bit of decluttered, now I'm just have one more thing to do. That's all clean. Last thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting this up. It's brand new. It's a whole new set. If you've seen my Walmart video, I'll link it above. This I got from clearance at Walmart. It was originally $19.84 and I got it for 11 bucks. So I'm gonna be putting this up and getting rid of my spring shower curtain and putting this up for fall. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today for this extreme bathroom cleaning motivation. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. And I'm going to put some videos up here on the screen so that way you can watch some more of my past cleaning motivation, and there'll be more coming your way. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.